everyone, this is Divya and welcome to my channel. Today we will share the review of Maybelline Fit Me Compact. So let's get started. Firstly, we will talk about its packaging. As you can see how it looks like. At the front side, the shade and main work of the product are mentioned, and at the back side the other details about the product including price are mentioned, and its price is 199 for 8 gram, but at any online platform like Amazon and Flipkart you can find this in 139 or 159. So I think this is affordable, and it has an expiry of 3 years. This is 919 to 921, which is a very good thing, but this is available in only 3 shades. So this is the biggest cons of this product. I purchased the 118 light beige, which perfectly matched with my skin color. Now let's open this. So this is the product. You can see how it looks like. Again, at the front side brand name is mentioned, and at the back side other details about the product are mentioned. Now let's open this. So there is a pretty size mirror and a puff, and there is a plastic cover which separates the puff with the product, which is a very good thing. You can see the shade. Let me show you. This is the shade which I purchased. Now let's close this. So as you can see, it closes on a clip. So this is a travel friendly product. Now let's talk what it claims. It mentioned that this is up to 12-hour oil control, micro powder, absorb sebum and sweet. But I am using this product from last 1 year, so I can say this, it gives you a oil free look for 3 to 4 hours but not for 12 hours, and also this is not practical. And next is skin fitting pigments blend in with natural skin tone. Again, this is not true because this is available in only 3 shades, so there is a very difficult to find these shades according to your skin tone. And next is sun protection SPF 28 PA+++. This is a good thing, it protects your skin from the sun. Now let's apply this on my face and see how it works. So before applying this, I want to tell you one thing. The basic work of compact is to remove or absorb the oil from your skin. So that's why I am using this oil. I am going to use this oil on my face, and let's see it absorbs my oil or not. Now I am going to apply the oil on this side of my face, and let's see what will happen. So this is the oil. Which I applied. You can see the oil on my face. Now I am going to apply this. I am using this puff, but you can also use the brush. So yes, it absorbs all the oils from my face. You can see there are no oils on my face which I just applied. So yeah, it gives you oil free look for 3 to 4 hours but not for 12 hours, and this is a good thing that it protects your skin from the sun because it includes SPF 28 PA+++. But the biggest cons of this product that this is available in only 3 shades. So there is very difficult to find the shades according to your skin tone. This is the review of this product. So if you like the today's video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Till then, bye bye and take care.